Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is January 28th, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. Parliament checks digital Omnibus, Photoshop upgrades with AI tools, Nudify apps flood app stores, Google Photos adds text prompts. This episode is sponsored by Pickert. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. European Commission plans to bundle several data and AI rules into a digital omnibus met resistance in the European Parliament. Proposed in December of 2025, it would fold four frameworks: the Regulation for the Free Flow of Non-Personal Data, the Open Data Directive, the Data Governance Act, and the Data Act, and centralized data loss reporting at one contact point. The Commission says simplification will help European competitiveness. MEPs warned the package could weaken protections in favor of big tech, flagged redefinitions of personal data and pseudonymization, and questioned privileges allowing AI firms to use sensitive data or to self-classify as high risk. Committee work continues. Adobe updated Photoshop with non-destructive adjustment layers for clarity, dehaze, and grain. Improved Firefly AI tools, and a beta dynamic text feature. Lightroom-style controls act as layers with masks, so local contrast, haze removal, and film grain apply without changing original pixels. Firefly Generative Fill, expand and remove, produce 2K output with finer detail, cleaner joins, and fewer retouching artifacts. With reference images, Photoshop matches geometry, perspective, light, and color, so inserted elements blend into a scene. Dynamic text bends, curves, or follows circles, and auto-fits size and flow. The new adjustments and AI tools are available on desktop. Generative features also appear in the web app.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickert's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickert.de. Pickertde. A tech transparency project report found dozens of apps on Google Play and Apple's App Store that digitally remove clothing from women to create sexualized deepfakes. TTP identified 55 apps on Google Play and 48 on Apple's App Store with 705 million downloads worldwide and $117 million in revenue. Google has suspended several and Apple removed 28, 2 later restored. The report warns removing XI's Grok alone will not stop the flood. Grok and X have produced millions of non-consensual sexualized images, sparking investigations in the European Union and the United Kingdom and at least one lawsuit. Platforms are still determining next steps. Google Photos now lets users write text prompts to guide its image-to-video generator, so still photos can be turned into videos with movement or style. The prompt joins subtle movement and I'm feeling lucky, and is editable to fine-tune results. The feature is limited to users aged 18 and above in Photos. Text prompts in Gemini have been available to users aged 13 and above. The change aligns Photos with rivals like XAI's Grok, which was abused to undress photos of real people and children. Availability varies by region, and Google's support page lists restrictions. Updates add audio by default and a new Photos picker in Gmail for multi-photo sharing. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.